when you're doing this, when you're starting out, you want to inhale slowly. Not quick, like, not like that. That's a no-no. That'll just make your situation worse. You want to go slow. Just like that. If you can focus on that for about 5 minutes, then you'll notice that your heart rate, your blood pressure will go down. Your body and your mind will start to relax more, and you'll get a better night's sleep. And the next day, you may even feel more energized when you wake up. So give it a try. Let me know, what your experience was. Dr. Dawn Elise Snipes, she recommends the 4x4 method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds. I'm sure her method works. I've tried that, and that method did not work for me. You can try it, maybe it'll work for you. But the method that I showed you that works for me, try giving that one a shot. But you have to. The key is focus on going slow. Each time, try to inhale a little deeper and exhale a little more completely. Oh yeah, here we are. We're going through the area where our signal keeps going in and out. So sorry if the signal keeps cutting in and out. That's just where the area that we're in. But this is like a law of attraction type sound to raise your vibration. Vibration as in your body puts out a certain frequency depending on how you're feeling, how you're thinking, what your gut feeling is. So this is going to help your body put out a better type frequency, so you can get a better feedback. Law of attraction states that whatever vibration or frequency that you put out comes right back to you. So if you raise your vibration higher, that means it'll be more positive. You'll get a more positive feedback in return.